Hi, finally I moved in Torino, Italy. It's my new space for making videos. Here will be tables, and the view from my window. And now I'm going to unpack all my corsets. So, and this bag, all my corsets. It is my white corset. I absolutely love it. But the problem with the white color, it remembers everything, even the marks from the disappearing pen that was supposed to vanish after ironing. Spoiler, it didn't. Okay, maybe I will make another one, or I will leave it as a story. The next corset is called Mirtessa. I created this corset inspired by Veronica Franco story. It was a Venetian courtesan in 16th century, and also the ancient symbol of myrrh. In Roman culture, this plant, myrrh, it was a symbol of love, beauty, feminine strength, sacred to Venice herself. It took me a long time to finish this piece because at first I drew the design by hand, then I embroidered it, and then I add some crystals. And inside of this corset, I add the secret. It's the lines from Veronica Franco poem. It's in Old Italian language. But in my next videos, I think I will share the story of this corset, the story of Veronica Franco. But for now, I will hang it up. This is the corset we made together, step by step in my videos. A black satin corset under bust. Thank you for being part of the process, and I also will hang it up. And here is the leather corset. I made it from Italian, genuine Naples leather, and it wasn't easy. There are some imperfections, but now I know the next time how to do it better. So maybe next time we'll make it together, who knows? And finally, the last one, but the very first one I ever made. This is where my obsession with corsetry began. So today I showed you all my corsets, but it's not finished. It's just begun. Hope to do more videos with the corsets because I really like to create corsets. So that is, I've shown you all my corsets, and new ones for sure will be. So I moved in a new city, new life, and I hope I will have more energy, inspiration to make more videos, more content. And by the way, I need a new bra and I want to try a new pattern making method, and I would like to share it with you. So subscribe and stay with me, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.